Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to the new video. In this video, here we have the question x minus 2 whole power 3 equal to minus 8. And we have to find out the value of the x minus 2 whole power 3 plus 8, because we will bring minus 8 on the left hand side, so the sign will change. And in the next step, we have x minus 2 whole cube plus 2 cube, because we are writing 2 power 3 instead of 8 equal to 0. So now we can use this formula that says a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. A is x minus 2 and b is 2. So we will use this formula over here. A plus b, it means x minus 2, that is a, plus b, it is 2. A square, it means x minus 2 whole square, minus ab, it means 2 into x minus 2 plus b square, that is 2 square. Minus 2 plus 2 will be cancelled, so we are left with x. The next bracket that we have x minus 2 whole square, so we will use the formula a minus b whole square, that is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So here we have x square minus 2ab, it means minus 2 into x into 2, that will be minus 4x, plus b square, it means 2 square, that is equal to plus 4. So minus 2 into x, that is minus 2x, minus 2 into minus 2, that will be plus 4. So plus 2 square, that is plus 4, equal to 0. So x into x square minus 4x minus 2x, that is minus 6x. So plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, that is plus 12. Now here we have the two equations, x equal to 0 and x square minus 6x plus 12 equal to 0. Now we will use the quadratic formula over here that says x equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So here we have x equal to minus b, it means minus into minus 6 plus minus under root b square, it means minus 6 square minus 4ac, it means minus 4 into a, that is 1, into c, that is 12, divided by 2a, it means 2 into 1. So x equal to minus minus, that is plus, so plus 6 plus minus under root minus 6 square, it means 36, minus 4 into 1 into 12, that is minus 48, divided by 2. So 6 plus minus under root minus 12 divided by 2. So minus 12 can be written as 3 into 4 into minus 1 in the under root. So we know that the square root of 4 is 2. So 2 into under root minus 3 into 1, that will be 3i, because minus 1 under root can be written as I. So under root 3i. We can write 2 root 3i instead of under root minus 12. So x equal to 6 over 2 plus minus 2 under root 3i divided by 2. Now 6 over 2, that will be 3, plus minus 2 will be cancelled, so under root 3i. So finally we will get the three values of the x equal to 0, and x equal to 3 plus under root 3i, and x equal to 3 minus under root 3i. So these are the three values of the x, and this is our final answer. Thank you for watching this video.